Hello Venture Nation. This week we find ourselves in Alum Creek, located in Lewis Center, Ohio. We're here for only the weekend. This site that we have is a very wooded site. I'm like a little shocked. This weekend is supposed to rain all week, so we're gonna see how that goes. So we're currently setting up. Well, I just finished setting up. So we may see more camping this week, how we camp. I notice we always show us being on an adventure, but this is more camping and relaxing. Where?
Outside of Delaware.
Okay, yeah, so we're in Delaware County. This is how our site look. Yes, the chairs is out. Grill. The jumbo weather. Kenny and Jackie over there in the sticks. It was Kenny's idea that we come here.
Let's do some real camping in the woods, baby. All the old concrete slabs and built-in barbecue grills. Not this weekend, baby.
Not this weekend?
Not this weekend, baby. It's all about the mosquitoes.
All about getting bit by mosquitoes, huh?
That's it, baby.
So he said this week, forget all the concrete pads, what we're used to, and the hot tubs, what we're used to, and the lakes. So we're about to do some real camping this weekend. I don't know how Shanti's gonna hold up, tell you the truth. Whew, it's gonna be a long weekend. The kitchen is open. So anytime you're in the woods, it's a must that you bring tiki torches. Tiki torches help you get rid of this, as far as mosquitoes or insects. I wouldn't say insects, just the mosquitoes or anything that try to, you know, anything that's come and bite you. So I'm out of tiki oil. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go borrow some tiki oil from Kenny, because I know he keeps tiki oil. He the master of the tiki torches.
Nice flat side.
Well, I had to level it off. Level everything off, but it's cool. Yours ain't flat?
I mean, I'm talking about, yeah, your area right here.
Oh, yeah. That's, I had a mushroom on the table.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I got a couple of these at home. I'll bring you some back.
Oh, yeah, you got me right, bro.
Appreciate it. So you pour your tiki oil in, you set a perimeter. I probably won't do it at fire just yet. And we still got to run to the grocery store. We got to do it before the Sabbath come in. Oh yeah, I am a Sabbath keeper. I believe in keeping the laws of the Most High God.
Right?
Yeah?
Yeah. It's Kenny and Jackie's anniversary, and they wanted to come camping.
See, I'm the smartest man out there. For all y'all want to know, y'all out there for the anniversary, y'all ladies some anniversary? Buy yourself a camper, baby. And just take her camping.
She had anniversary all night long.
You tell her you take her on vacation. Hook this motherfucker up to your car or your truck and go about your happy way. Yep. And tell her happy anniversary. That's all I can tell you. Cheap trip, baby. One more time, Thomas. Wish you was here, baby.
La.
Thomas, are you guys ready to go?
That's how you smoke up an area. Look at the smoke that's coming off these fires. Look at the smoke.
Thomas, are y'all ready to go? Thomas.
You see, I'm in the middle of recording. You keep calling my name like that. You're messing up my recording. This woman here, I tell you. But look, guys. Yeah, look at that. I feel like hunting now. Since I can't catch no fish, I'm sure I can catch some type of rodent. Not rodent, a rabbit or something. This is what camping all about, being out in the elements. Most people like to camp when it's just a beautiful day, but us, we love this type of camping. You get the rain garments, the rain boots. You get out here and you enjoy this weather. It's still summer. Well, the people that was across from us left this morning. And the people that camping beside us are still asleep. It's about 12:30. Wow, look at their sight. It's like flooded out here. And this is why you do not drink at night, because you do stuff like this. Come in and get us. Come get us. There's no moving inside. Okay, they got on the game.
The hell you doing around my door this time of damn morning? Why ain't got no clothes on? What?
Look at this. Most people be in the house around this time, but not us. Can you grab my keys, please? People are leaving because they can't stand the rain. Can you stand the rain? Can you believe people leaving? This was camping about. Being out in the elements. Enjoying the weather. Making the most out of it. Making the most out of a bad day. Ain't no weather like camping weather. You eat, you barbecue, football is back on. I love this weather.
Ohio State. Ooh, it was raining out.
Oh, they got up and left.
And they left their tent?
I was here early this morning. You know when I came out.
They left their tent?
Yes. I got up around about 7:30 and came out and rode around. And
8 o'clock.
And the people that was in the tent, I said 7:30. And the people that was in the tent actually left the tent and everything. I guess they said, damn this shit, and bounced. Everybody can't deal with the rain. But it's like in the 70s here. It's raining, but it's 70s.
Yeah, but when
I
you're
even smell smoke. People,
but it feels like 60 or less when you're in a tent. How much?
It's a camp host. They got the big A-class.
I can't believe they just left the tent.
They just left. Forget it. We'll come back and get it if it's still there. Back at Ohio State. I need me a Ohio State sticker to stick on the camper. Again, this is Alum Creek State Park.
A39 or 38. That was a nice sight.
Was it? Yeah, they tipped the little thing on it. With the light rains, it is better to fish during
That has to be a whole
this type of rain.
There's a lot of campsites. How many campsites are here?
A rainy day camping beats a sunny day at work. I agree. That was slick. Let's look at the puddle. And Sleepy Kenny. I gotta look at this side. Check this side out.
L17.
Is it L17? I seen a boat online when I was looking online trying to get the reviews of his campground. I seen a boat parked by a campsite real close. I think this is the campsite. I found the campsite. Folks, I found the campsite. Look at that. They do need to clear out some of these damn trees. Too many damn trees. We just wanted to get out the camper, explore this campground. Here's another site, Ashanti too. This trail. I like to explore. We are about to ride around with the Millarders. They want to see the campground. They just got up. It's 6 o'clock. They just woke up. So we're going to ride around with them to see the campground. BW3, watching the game, enjoying our beer. Taking shots. Yeah. What kind of business do you own, Shanti? What kind of business do you own, Shanti?
Is it raining?
I knew. It's alright, just gonna get messed up. Tell Kenny, just gonna get messed up later.
I ain't about to tell y'all my business.